Hi, everybody. Let's keep talking about science. Today, I want to talk about something called photosynthesis. Can you say photosynthesis? Or if you're really cool, photosynthesis? Good. Photosynthesis is a way you eat without a mouth. How do you do that? Well, plants can do it. Remember how we talked about the plant life cycle? Well, part of that life cycle is something called photosynthesis. It's really cool. It's when plants use sunlight, the power of sunlight, to capture it and basically put it in a little jar so they can eat it later. It's a pretty cool process. Let's take a closer look. Photosynthesis is when plants, using their own food, sunlight, water, and air, specifically something called carbon dioxide, which is something that's in the air, to make their own food. They can make their own food, and they make things like sugar, and they also make oxygen, which we breathe. Now, plants are really nice. They make air for us, oxygen, they make food for us. I really like plants. Wow, they're like our best friends. They say dogs are our best friends. Okay, dogs have their place, but plants are really helpful to us. And again, they use this word called photosynthesis. Photo means light in another language, and synthesis means to make. Photosynthesis. Wow, so interesting. Okay, well, I happen to have a few flowers I have to go pick. If I were you, I would hit the like button, the subscribe button, and I would never forget this. Be brave, behave, and be happy. Okay, boys and girls, it was so good talking to you. I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.